Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the topic of prolonged fasting, a practice that has gained popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits. Whether you are looking to lose weight, improve your overall health, or even potentially treat chronic diseases, prolonged fasting may be a tool that can help you achieve your goals. In this video, we will be exploring 7 critical things you need to know before embarking on a prolonged fast. So, sit back and let's dive in. Fasting is the practice of abstaining from food or drink for a certain period of time. While it has been used for religious and cultural purposes for centuries, it has gained popularity in recent years as a tool for weight loss and improving overall health. Prolonged fasting, which involves fasting for several days or longer, has become a popular topic of discussion in the health and wellness community. In this video, we will explore 7 critical things to know about prolonged fasting. What is prolonged fasting? Prolonged fasting is a form of fasting that involves abstaining from food for several days or longer. Some people may fast for up to 24 hours, while others may fast for several days, weeks, or even months. During this time, the body undergoes a process called autophagy, where it breaks down damaged or dysfunctional cells and tissues in order to use them for energy. How does prolonged fasting work? Prolonged fasting works by putting the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. This process also triggers autophagy, which helps to improve cellular function and may have anti-aging benefits. During prolonged fasting, the body may also experience a decrease in insulin levels and an increase in human growth hormone, which may help to promote fat loss and muscle growth. What are the potential benefits of prolonged fasting? There are many potential benefits of prolonged fasting, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, increased energy, improved brain function, and even anti-aging benefits. Some studies have also suggested that prolonged fasting may have potential benefits for those with chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. What are the potential risks of prolonged fasting? While prolonged fasting may have many potential benefits, there are also potential risks to consider. Prolonged fasting can lead to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and nutrient deficiencies. It can also be dangerous for those with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes, kidney disease, or liver disease. Additionally, prolonged fasting can lead to muscle loss and decreased metabolism, which can make it difficult to maintain weight loss over time. Who should not engage in prolonged fasting? Prolonged fasting is not recommended for everyone. Those who are underweight or have a history of eating disorders should avoid prolonged fasting, as it can be dangerous and lead to further health problems. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also avoid prolonged fasting, as it can negatively impact both the mother and the baby. How to properly prepare for and break a prolonged fast. Proper preparation and breaking of a prolonged fast is crucial to avoiding potential risks and complications. It is important to stay well hydrated before and during the fast, and to monitor electrolyte levels. When breaking the fast, it is important to start with small, easily digestible foods, and to gradually reintroduce solid foods over several days. How to safely engage in prolonged fasting. If you are considering prolonged fasting, it is important to do so safely and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. It is important to monitor your body's response to the fast, and to adjust your approach as needed to ensure that you are not putting your health at risk. Prolonged fasting can be an effective tool for weight loss, improving overall health, and even potentially treating chronic diseases. However, it is important to approach it with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. By understanding the potential benefits and risks of prolonged fasting, and properly preparing for and breaking the fast, you can safely and effectively engage in this practice and reap the many potential benefits it has to offer. Thank you for watching our video on prolonged fasting. We hope that you found it informative and helpful in understanding the potential benefits and risks of this practice. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content on health and wellness. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.